First day in Mount Rainier National Park. We have 2 hikes scheduled for today. We're about to hit the trail on the first one. My navigator says it's 1.8 miles straight up, so I'm getting my hiking poles out. I'm so glad you're coming along with us today. We're hiking the incredible Comet Falls, a 320-foot waterfall that feels like a blast of mountain magic. Join us on this moderately challenging trail that rewards every step with forest beauty and a waterfall finale you won't forget. Oh, I don't know what it is about the sound of water, y'all, but it just makes my heart fill. Oh my Lord. The Van Trump Trail starts off with a climb through lush, shady forest. You'll follow Van Trump Creek, and after just a short distance, the sound of rushing water becomes your hiking soundtrack. So you know I'm happy. It's official. I'm already in love with this park. Oh my gosh. Be prepared for a steady uphill climb, especially if you're coming in early season when parts of the trail may be muddy or snowy. If you ended your hike right here, you'd be happy. But just wait. Here it is, Comet Falls in all its glory. Plunging more than 300 feet straight down, this is one of the most impressive waterfalls in the entire park. You can get pretty close to the base, but be cautious of wet rocks and spray. This trail is the perfect mix of effort and reward. Challenging enough to feel accomplished, but short enough to finish in a half day. That was really such an energy rush. Do you feel that energy rush?
I felt the energy rush, and I felt it all over my face, my arms, my legs.
I do feel like I was having a spa day.
I was a little bit of a shower this morning.
Yeah, a spa day. Mount Rainier is a magical place and a hiker's dream. We're here visiting in mid-July, and I'm going to tell you, the air is crisp. It smells like wildflowers and ferns, and the water rushing all around is just magical. I'm not having any bug issues. I feel like I'm in a hiker's paradise right now. Ugh. And this is just our first day. Thanks for hiking with us. If you've done this trail or plan to, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to keep on adventuring.